Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new pool home listing right down the street from Windsor Launch Ramp. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 1741 Peachblossom Drive. This was just listed for 1.2. It's on the lakeside of the highway, right down the street to Windsor Launch. Very popular area on the lakeside of the highway. Nice big metal entry door. So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 2006, 2,161 square feet. Again, it was just listed. It's got real tall ceilings, huge wraparound eat-at counters in the kitchen. So you have can lights, integrated speakers, big electric fireplace, nice stonework. So this house is being sold or can come fully furnished, making it an excellent vacation rental type setup for somebody, especially since it's close to the launch ramp. Nice open floor plan. Big dining area. The doors back here open up all the way to let the backyard in. Very nice setup. So of course, this is a split bedroom layout. So you have the master on one side and the other guest bedrooms on the other. Nice stainless appliances, huge kitchen. You can sit quite a few people here. Nice little work area. So you have the master right off the kitchen, has a slider out to the backyard pool area, can lights, little barn door to the master bath. It's got the tall 4-hinged interior doors in here as well. Real nice master bath. Has a little fireplace. Nice walk-in shower with the rain head. Real nice granite. Glass door, stonework at the bottom. Toilet has its own door. Dual sinks. Nice big master walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have this little guest bath off the living area, which I'm assuming is the 3rd bathroom. Real nice granite tops. Has a big skylight. Nice big walk-in shower. Right, so you have the other 2 guest bedrooms and another guest bath. This would be guest bath number 2. Got a little hall. So you have bedroom number 2. These are both at the front of the house. Can light, ceiling fan. It's got a little walk-in closet with a pocket door. So you have bedroom number 3, also at the front of the house. Can light, ceiling fan. Same kind of little walk-in closet with a pocket door. It's basically just a mirror of the other one. All right, so off the entry, you have your indoor laundry, little utility sink, little beer fridge. All right, so you have the 2-car garage side, 25 feet deep, has a 10-foot door, 22 feet wide, has mini split AC, integrated sound. Got a utility sink, water softener, hot water. So they've partitioned it off so you can, if you wanted to set this up as a vacation rental, you could lock out your boat and not give access to the renters, which makes this a pretty desirable setup. So you have the RV garage side, 54 feet deep, 12-foot door, also has mini splits, epoxy floors, little man door out to the backyard pool area, little storage area. So you have some built-in cabinets over here. It's got full hookups, clean out, 50 amp. Let's go check out the pool. So all of these doors fold up, making it a huge area to kind of make it the outdoor, indoor, and vice versa. Real nice custom pool. Nice mini Pebble Tech, has a little Baja shelf. Nice big spa, some artificial turf back here. Nice little storage shed, travertine decking, rain gutters. Looks like there was a view deck up there at one time. Nice and private, very nicely landscaped. Got a nice little seating area up here. Beautiful outdoor living area, the giant TV, can lights, integrated speakers, another one of those big fireplaces. Look, it's like it's also pre-wired for more speakers. You have all your pool equipment back here out of the way. Little barbecue, smoker. It's also integrated speakers out on the patio. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Peachblossom. Again, this one was just listed for 1.2. It's in a great lakeside of the highway location, right down the street to Windsor launch ramp. It's going to be sold, or can be sold, fully furnished. So if you're looking to pick up a real nice vacation rental, this is definitely a candidate. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, availability. Of course, if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.